I made this a while back to put serrations into some Tong jaws. I'm working on multiple tongs for a company, and they want serrations along the full jaw length. Rather than modify this tool, I have a better idea. When visiting one hardware area, I remember seeing something I might use, so I went in to inquire. These are rack and pinion racks, and he's got various sizes, and so I asked him if he had any short lengths he might sell. An old shop like this could be a blacksmithing gold mine. So I bought 3 lengths, and I had hardy shanks welded onto 2 of them. The ridges are flat on top, and so the one that's in the hardy hole, I've modified it just by filing a bit to make the ridges more pointed. I inquired with someone who knows better than me, and he said that these racks are likely medium carbon steel, and the filing only took about 5 minutes. So being medium carbon, these should be just perfect for blacksmithing purposes. That's going to work just fine. Since I have so many to do, accuracy is important. I've already got 3 different ideas how I might use rack sections of various sizes. So I guess the main point of this video is to be on the lookout for things that might act as molds for your blacksmithing. I've still got a way to go to complete these. But I wanted to say, let me know if you need any.
Tongs!
Man, I'm losing it. Catch you guys next time.